chat in Jasper.ai. On the main page, you can choose this button, which is Start Conversation. It will take you to a different page. And as in ChatGPT, you can ask Jasper to anything. For example, I can ask him to research current marketing trends. So Jasper gives me an option and a minute. And I can, after that, I can just ask a follow-up question from the Jasper. Jasper also gives me a different sources which he found the information. Right now, I can just ask him about summarize the key insights from these articles. So it's a follow-up question which just a Jasper answer in the moment. So from this point, you can also in this chat attach anything. You can attach different files or knowledge bases. So you can choose a different knowledge base and go with this one. Or you can just choose a different brand voice for your conversation. You can Jasper chat will also provide actionable strategies for each trend. So I will choose different options and Jasper always give me the answer in a minute. And it will create actionable strategy for me for 2025. I have everything written down over here. So we can just go with this. And this is how to use a chat in Jasper.ai. See you in the next video.